Hi everyone, this is the demonstration video of our Echo app. As we can see, there is an iOS simulator on the screen, and behind is PHP MyAdmin, a tool for handling my circle on the website. First of all, when a user inputs a username that does not exist in database, there would be an UI alert controller to remind you to input the correct username and password. So let's register first. In this thing, we should input the username, password, mail address, name, age, and gender respectively. There will be a toast to remind user to follow the correct format. The username should be in 4 to 12 characters and underscore is legal. Password should be 6 to 20 characters and must contain both number and letter. The mail should also be in red format, and there will be a reminder for age and gender too. After register, the message user has input should be stored in my circle in the server. It will fail to register when another user registers his username that has already existed in the database. When the username and password confirm with storage in database, the app would perform next view controller. After login, we have two tasks to select, the delay discounting task and the stop signal task. First, we choose delay discounting task. In delay discounting task, there would be 27 questions random display on the screen, and the user would choose the reward they would like to have. For each choice, the app will send the result to database, and the administrator can find each user's answer by using the primary key, username. And if the user tries for the second time, the first record will be overwritten. When the task finishes, it will back to the select controller. Next, we come to the stop signal task. First, there is an instruction and tutorial for users who are first time to use the app. User can click skip button to skip them. After the instruction page finish, there will be a practice block. After each trial in the block, the result will be displayed. The tutorial block will not be recorded. On every trial in the practice, you will see an X and an O on the screen. Your task is to respond as fast as and accuracy as possible to stimuli. Occasionally, a box will appear around the stimuli. This indicates a stop trial. You have to stop your response on stop trials, and do not press any key when a box appears around the X or O. In the block, it will display a wait for 1000 milliseconds, display fiction cross for 250 milliseconds, display goal stimuli X or O for 1000 milliseconds, regardless of the participant response time, and feedback display for 2000 milliseconds. And there will be half of X and half of O in the screen. Max response time will be 1000 milliseconds. Display all stimuli for 1000 milliseconds regardless of participant response. 25% stop signal trails. Set first stop signal delay at 250 milliseconds. Decrease stop signal delay by 50 milliseconds after each unsuccessful stopping, and increase it by 50 milliseconds after each successful stopping. After 10 trials, the results of practice block will display. Number of incorrect response to go simile. Number of missed response to go simile. Where there is greater than 500 milliseconds, give the message too slow, respond faster. Percent of correctly suppressed response to stop trails. Second left to wait, 10-second countdown. After the tutorial block, there will be 4 blocks to record. Each block has 10 trails. Half X and half O in random presentation. 25% stop signal trails. Randomize for the block. No stops in a row. Set first stop signal delay to 250 milliseconds. Decrease stop signal delay by 50 milliseconds after each unsuccessful stopping and increase it 50 milliseconds after each successful stopping. Mean stop signal delay is 0, and the max stop signal delay equal to the 950 milliseconds. Stop signal delay carries over between blocks and provide feedback for each block regarding performance in that block only. After each block finished, the result of block will be sent to the database with their username, and the result of each trail will be sent to the database as well. If users successfully click the correct button, the result would be the reaction time. In contrast, it would be the miss or wrong click. In stop signal trails, the result would be the successful stop or unsuccessful stop.